Having made the document in our interaction with PSA, Professor Sood, we realized that we have to really strategize, okay? I mean, we can't be doing everything. So we also came up with a section on how to prioritize. It needs more discussion, more consultation before implementation. So let me not take you through the whole discussion. I just want to highlight that we need to strategize given the vastness of the field of advanced materials. One or two tutorial slides. There is often confusion. What are advanced materials? I mean, given that everything is material, so to say matter, what is a material and what is advanced material? Since I am the opening batsman, let me do justice to this. When we realize property of a piece of matter, it becomes material. When we realize the hardness of a stone, we know how to make a tool out of that, right? So then it becomes a material. And when it becomes an advanced material, for sure we will have a control on the composition at the atomic or molecular level. We'll also have control on the size. We know how to realize quantum size effects and control over the shape itself, the morphology, the shape, and importantly, the dimensionality.